Good morning, everybody. We're going to feature the Tesla trade that we did last night before the quarterly report. We bought it when Tesla sold down very hard yesterday. We bought it. Today, we're going to talk about gaps, how to trade gaps, okay? Earnings gap, we sold the calls out that we bought yesterday. And we made about 108 grand on it. And we bought the 950 calls here in the video, and we owned the 980 calls. The high was 110. Right now they're 64. If you don't know how to sell out on the call contracts, you don't get paid. And we sold out up at the high there on the 950 calls. The high was 139. We sold out at 125, but then we bought the pullback, took another 8 grand out of it, and now we're going to buy some more, and I'm putting a bid in at 87.50 a contract right now. I'm going to cancel my 92.50 bid, and I'm going to go 87, even though I should be buying them down here on the low. Now, what we're going to do is take a look about the gap, how to sell out with $100,000 profit, buying that first dip, which we did. They rolled it, we exited for another 8 grand, so now we're up 108 grand, and then we purchased some more contracts, and we have bids out here to buy more. The high was 139.60. Okay, we sold out at 125 a little bit early because we're doing the gap, how to sell gaps, and then buying put options when the stock hit 1192 on the high right here. Here is the high, 1092, and we're printing on the low of 1042. That's a $50 pullback, and that is on zero. And with that being on zero, mathematically in our platform, it's pure mathematics. Look, if you're serious about wanting to trade, we built these platforms. We own them. This is the best charting app out here. It's got all the bells, all the whistles. It tells you when to buy it, tells you when to sell it, tells you where your stop should be, tell you everything about your risk management. I would sign up for the free 5-day trial. You can believe what you see. And we sold out on the high of the contracts, and we're going to put a limit order out to buy. We cancel our 92.50. The last print is 98.40. That was a low. And we're putting our orders out. Right now, I'm going to say 88.50 is where we will buy 10 contracts intraday. If you can buy one, you're going to make some money. And if you would have bought with us last night, you would have made, oh my God, 10. Even if you had one contract, you would have made 10 grand. I mean, come on. You go down these other trials, they're worthless. They don't give you the entry. They don't build the platforms. They don't know the relative movement. They don't know any of it. And here you have it at your fingertips to make the big money on 108,000 realized profit. And we're going out here, I'm going to say 88.5. And we're going to buy 10 more, and we're going to make another monumental trade, and they expire tomorrow. How to trade that 950 call. Oh, yeah, you heard it. Sign up. Take that free trial. Do it now.